Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you a new money-making strategy that will help you earn passive income by watching videos. This is free and it has multiple payment methods. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. The first website I'd like to show you how to get money online by watching videos is Feature Points. This software may be downloaded for free from your Google Play Store or App Store. It's completely free and accessible from anywhere on the planet. Take a look around and see what's going on. They've been around since 2012 and they're still going strong. You may enter contests, take surveys, and watch movies for free. And you can even get paid for it. Making money can be accomplished in a number of ways. However, in this video, we'll simply talk about watching videos and earning money because it's the quickest, easiest, and highest paying job on the site. To sign up, simply type your email address into the box below and click the sign up button. You may now accomplish this with your phone or computer. Right now, you can see that this is my account and my name. Let me throw in a bonus tip. You can open multiple browsers on multiple devices. Use all of your PCs and phones to open numerous browser tabs if you have more than one. As a result, you'll be able to watch a lot of videos at once. Now, I usually open 3 or 4 tabs in the Google Chrome browser, then leave the video playing in the background while I do other things. The video continues to play whether I'm out or at home, signaling that I'm still making money passively. The best aspect is that I'm earning this money absolutely passively, which means I'm not performing any brain work. By pressing the play button, you can also watch the video without any prior experience. I hope you get what I'm trying to communicate. If you stick with me to the end, I'll show you a couple more websites and programs that, when used together, you can make 3, 4, or 5 times as much money even faster. I'll show you the second app where you may make money right now by watching videos as well. The name of the second app is App Nano. On an iOS or Android device, this can be done. You can do a variety of things once you're inside. You may play games, do surveys, and watch movies, and the point system they utilize is known as Nanas Points, which can be exchanged for real money. As you can see, you are Nanas, which you can then convert and pay out via PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, bank transfer, and other means. You can also earn money by joining the referral program by following this link, which will take you to this page where you can fill out your details and sign up. It's as simple as that. It's actually fairly simple to do. This code can also be shared on Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and other social media sites. Simply share this with your friends to generate an additional source of income while watching videos. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Let's move on to the third website, also known as MyPoints. It appeals to me because it provides a $10 welcome bonus. Who wouldn't want it, right? And now is the time to join up for a free account. If you don't do anything, they'll offer you a $10 welcome bonus right immediately. That is just amazing. Simply enter your email address and password and then click the Join Now button. You can get money on this app by doing a variety of tasks, including watching videos. If you stick with me all the way to the end, I'll teach you what kind of videos you should watch. Because different videos pay you differently. Some will offer you a higher rate, while others will offer you a cheaper one. So make sure you watch all the way to the end because I'll tell you which videos you should focus on. But first, I'd like to show you the fourth app. The fourth app is App Trailers. This software has remained popular throughout the years, and new versions have been issued on a regular basis. And if you're reading this right now, you should be overjoyed since they've just released a new version that allows you to earn money simply by watching videos. This is a terrific opportunity. Because of the earlier version, they only pay you a small amount. However, because the new edition will give you a significantly more money, I propose watching at least 3 to 5 videos at the same time. This manner, you can make a lot more money in a shorter period of time. Now, moving on to the final app, number 5. This app is called Creations Rewards. You can receive $5 in a sign-up bonus with this app. Once again, by using this, you can earn free gift cards, free cash just by simply watching videos. They give you a $5 sign-up bonus, but one thing I do want to point out is that this app has been here since 2000. Once again, you can do a lot of different things on here. For example, you can take surveys, watch videos as well. Visit websites, do some online shopping, complete offers, and refer your friends and family. Now, for myself, I focus on watching videos, and I do visit websites as well. They're all actually pretty simple without any experience needed. For this app though, I want you to simply focus on watching videos, and if you like it, and if you want more extra money, I suggest you consider completing different offers related to visiting and browsing websites. No, you'll see something similar to this when you log into your account, and you'll be able to watch and explore, engage in surveys, download apps, refer friends, and so on. One thing to bear in mind is that you'll notice daily prizes if you log in with your phone. Make sure you click there to receive your daily prize, as it always gives you more money. Make sure you log in every day to claim your prizes, because if you do it for 30 days, you'll have to click on it every day. You'll be able to watch more videos, which means you'll be able to earn more money. And that wraps it up. That is how you earn passive income by watching videos. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.